cos 60 is equal to half. Cos squared 60 is equal to half square. Sec 30. Sec 30 is equal to what? Cos 30 is equal to square root of 3 upon 2. Sec is reciprocal. So 2 upon square root of 3 square plus tan 45 is equal to 1. Tan squared 45 is equal to 1 square. This is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 4 upon 3 plus 1. 12. 4 3s are 3 4s are 12. This is 31 upon 12. So 12 2s are 24. 7 remains. 2 7 upon 12. We have to find the value of this. Tan 30 is equal to what? It is 1 upon square root of 3. Tan squared 30 is equal to 1 upon square root of 3 square. Tan 45 is 1. Tan squared 45 is equal to 1 square. Tan 60 is equal to square root of 3 square. So this is equal to what? 1 upon 3 plus 1 plus 3. 3 is the LCM. 1 plus 3 plus 9. 13 upon 3. 3 4s are 12. 1 remains. 4 1 upon 3. Tan 45 is equal to 1 upon cosec 30. Sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. Cosec 30 is equal to reciprocal of 1 upon 2, that is 2, plus sec 60. Cos 60 is equal to half. Therefore, sec is reciprocal of cos. So, reciprocal of half is equal to 2. Cot 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Reciprocal is equal to 1. Minus 5 into sin of 90. Sin of 90 is equal to 1. 2 into cos of 0. Cos of 0 is equal to 1. Sin of 90 is equal to 1 and cos of 0 is equal to 1. So this is equal to what? LCM is 2. 1 plus 4 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Sin square 30. You know sin 30 is equal to half. So 3 into sin 30. Sin square 30 is equal to half square. Plus 2 into tan 60 is equal to what? Tan 60 is equal to square root of 3. So tan squared 60 is equal to square root of 3 square. Minus 5 into cos 45. Cos 45 is equal to 1 upon square root of 2. Cos squared 45 is equal to 1 upon square root of 2 square. 3 into 1 upon 4 plus 2 into 3 minus 5 into 1 upon 2. This is equal to 3 upon 4 plus 6 minus 5 upon 2. LCM is equal to 4. 3 plus 24 minus 10. 17 upon 4. 17 upon 4 is equal to what? 4 4s are 16, 1 remains. 4 1 upon 4. Cosec. This is the reciprocal of sin. Sin 45 is equal to 1 upon square root of 2. So 1 upon square root of 2, reciprocal is equal to square root of 2. Cosec square. So square root of 2 square minus cot 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1, reciprocal is equal to 1, cot square 45 is equal to 1 square. So this is equal to what? This is LHS. Square root of 2 into square root of 2 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. Here we have to prove that cos square 30 minus sin square 30 is equal to cos 60. Cos 30 is equal to what? Square root of 3 upon 2. Cos square 30 is equal to square root of 3 upon 2 square. Minus sin 30. Sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 square. Sin square 30. is equal to cos 60 is equal to 1 upon 2. Square root of 3 into square root of 3 is equal to 3. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 minus 1 upon 4. This is 4. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This is equal to 1 upon 2. LHS is equal to RHS. Tan 60 is equal to square root of 3 plus 1 upon square root of 3 minus 1 square is equal to 1 plus cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to square root of 3 upon 2. Square root of 3 upon 2 upon 1 minus square root of 3 upon 2. A plus B the whole square formula. A square plus 2AB plus B square upon A square minus 2AB plus B square. This is equal to, here the LCM is equal to 2. 2 plus square root of 3 upon here 2 minus square root of 3. Here 2 goes off. So 2 plus square root of 3 upon 2 minus square root of 3. Here it is 4 plus 2 square root of 3 upon 4 minus 2 square root of 3. Let us take 2 as common. 2 into 2 plus square root of 3 upon 2 into 2 minus square root of 3. 2 goes off. What remains is 2 plus square root of 3 upon 2 minus square root of 3. Here also it is 2 plus square root of 3 upon 2 minus square root of 3. LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you understood this part. 2 plus square root of 3 upon 2 divided by 2 minus square root of 3 upon 2. 2 plus square root of 3 upon 2 multiplied by 2 upon 2 minus square root of 3. 2 goes off. That's how we got this. 2 plus square root of 3 upon 2 minus square root of 3. Cosec 60. Reciprocal of sin 60. What is sin 60? Sin 60 is equal to square root of 3 upon 2. Reciprocal is equal to 2 upon square root of 3 square 3 into minus 2 cot 30. Tan 30 is equal to what? 1 upon square root of 3. Reciprocal is equal to square root of 3 square plus cos 45. Cos 45 is equal to 1 upon square root of 2. Therefore sec is reciprocal of cos. So it is square root of 2 square. 3 into 4 upon 3 minus 2 into square root of 3 into square root of 3 plus square root of 2 squared is equal to 2. 3 goes off. 4 minus 6 plus 2. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. We have to prove that sine of 2 into 30 degree is equal to 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. Sine of 2 into 30 is equal to sine of 60. Sine 60 is equal to square root of 3 upon 2. This is LHS. Let us take RHS now. 2 into tan 30 is equal to 1 upon square root of 3 upon 1 plus tan 30 is equal to 1 upon square root of 3. Tan square 30 is equal to 1 upon 3. 1 upon square root of 3 into 1 upon square root of 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. This is LCM 3. So 1 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 3. So 2 upon square root of 3. This is 2 upon square root of 3 divided by 4 upon 3. 2 upon square root of 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4. So this is equal to 2 upon square root of 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 3 upon 2 square root of 3. So 3 upon 2 square root of 3. Let us rationalize the denominator. Square root of 3 square root of 3. So this became what? This is equal to 3 square root of 3 upon 2 into square root of 3 into square root of 3 is equal to 3. 2 into 3. 3 goes off, square root of 3 upon 2 remains. LHS is equal to RHS.